Today, we have a charming classic for you, a 1954 Oldsmobile 98. Priced at just $6,000, this vintage beauty is located in Osborne, Missouri. The car is equipped with a sturdy 324 engine that runs well, promising a smooth driving experience. With an automatic transmission that shifts effortlessly, you'll appreciate the updated power brake boost system, along with front disc brakes for improved handling and safety. Its exterior is classic black, with only 92,607 miles on the odometer, showcasing its well-cared-for history. Featuring a new front windshield, side windows, and re-chromed bumpers, this car sports period-correct hubcaps and headlight rings, bringing a true essence of the era. The interior has been updated with new carpeting and door sills, adding modern comfort while retaining its vintage charm. Automatic windows are functional, and there's a set of period-correct fender skirts included. Just a bit of hardware needed to attach. This Oldsmobile 98 offers a perfect opportunity for restoration enthusiasts or anyone looking to own a piece of car history. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and photos of this classic gem. Check out this stunning 1955 Buick Special, a rare find with only 44,600 miles on the odometer. This classic beauty is finished in a beautiful two-tone green and white exterior with matching interior. It's powered by a V8 engine and comes with an automatic transmission offering smooth performance. The car has been partially restored, including a rebuilt engine and transmission, with no rust thanks to its life spent in New Mexico. It has always been garage-kept and meticulously cared for. The car is in excellent exterior condition and is a joy to drive with its rear-wheel drive. This Buick Special would make an incredible addition to any collection or even a museum piece. Don't miss out on owning this piece of automotive history. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Introducing the stunning 1954 Cadillac Series 70, an exquisite blend of vintage luxury and comfort. Priced at an affordable $19,900, this beauty is located in Sacramento, California. This classic car features a powerful original engine, seamless automatic transmission, and is ready to hit the road with an odometer reading of 0, indicating it's had minimal usage since its partial restoration. With a captivating blue and white exterior complemented by a comfortable blue cloth interior, it's perfect for both cruising and making a statement at car shows. The vehicle boasts modern conveniences like air conditioning, power windows, and a custom stereo, enhancing the driving experience while retaining its classic charm. It has a clear title and is in good exterior condition. The restoration includes rebuilt brakes, a new carburetor, and serviced suspension components. There are minor cosmetic imperfections, but they're easy to address. This Series 70 is ideal for those who appreciate timeless elegance and classic vehicles. For more details and stunning photos, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. This 1952 Plymouth Cranbrook, listed at $16,000 or best offer, is a classic beauty located in Countryside, Illinois. The car is in great condition, featuring a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission and runs smoothly with a rebuilt inline-6 engine. The odometer reads 88,000 miles, and the title is clear. With its vintage green exterior, gray interior, and wide white wall tires, This car is perfect for vintage car enthusiasts or those seeking a timeless restoration project. The original style cloth-covered wiring has been updated for reliability, and the horn, AM radio with Bluetooth, and factory turn signals are in working order. This vehicle has been kept in a climate-controlled garage, so no rust is present, making it a solid candidate for shows and cruise nights. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Click the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1953 MGTD, located in Youngsville, Louisiana, is a charming piece of 1950s automotive history, priced at $13,500. It's powered by a 1250cc four-cylinder engine that delivers 52 horsepower, offering a smooth ride with its manual transmission. The vehicle shows only 4,423 miles on the odometer, making it an excellent candidate for a classic car enthusiast or collector. The exterior is in good condition with a beige and brown color scheme, complementing its matching beige leather interior. It also boasts a convertible top for those open-air drives. The car features a well-preserved cabin with leather-trimmed seats and a banjo-style steering wheel. It still has the original side drapes, making it an authentic vintage model. The title status is clear, and the engine is running, ensuring it's ready to drive or restore. With its rare, vintage appeal, this 1953 MGTD is perfect for anyone looking to own a unique classic car. Check out the link in the description for more details and pictures of this iconic vehicle. Here we have a 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, a true classic in beautiful condition, priced at $15,000 in Loveland, Colorado. This 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air runs great, powered by the original 235 straight-six engine. The exterior is a stunning cream over green combination with a woodland green accent, while the interior boasts green and tan upholstery. With a manual 3-speed transmission on the tree and an odometer reading of 91,050 miles, it has been well maintained. The car is ready for cruising with new white wall tires, seat covers, and a headliner. The 1953 Bel Air features unique conical front blinker lights embedded in the grille, making it stand out. The car uses regular 87-octane fuel and is equipped with a modern fuel pump to prevent vapor lock. It's a nostalgic ride that's perfect for parades or touring. The title status is clear, and it's ready to go. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of vintage American history. Check out the description for more information and photos. Check out this 1954 Ford Crestline, a classic beauty with a rich history and appealing potential for restoration or as a vintage car. With just 2 previous owners and a garage-kept life, this navy blue beauty features an automatic transmission, a reliable inline-6 engine, and new upholstery. The engine has been refurbished, and the car comes with a brand new 6V wiring harness. It's got 5 new tires with full hubcaps, a straight body with a fresh paint job done 2 years ago, and leather seat material. The odometer reads 0, and the engine is running strong. The car is being sold as is due to its age, but it holds many positives, including a clear title and very good exterior condition. There are a few minor issues, like needing new bushings in the front A-arm, and the radio and heater need to be hooked up. However, this 68-year-old gem has tons of potential for anyone looking to bring a vintage Ford back to life. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and photos, check out the link in the description below. This 1954 Jeep Willys is a true classic, with a rich history that dates back to its military roots. Modified in the 1960s for mountain use, this rugged vehicle boasts a Chevy small-block engine paired with a low-gear 3-speed T42 manual transmission, perfect for tackling tough terrains. It features a custom-built roll bar, front and rear tow package, and is equipped with 31 by 1050 R15 LT tires for excellent grip. Finished in army green with black interior, the Jeep is powered by a V8 engine and runs smoothly, offering a clear title and part-time four-wheel drive drain trailer. With a restored engine, this Jeep is an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts looking to own a rare, vintage off-road vehicle. Check the link in the description for more details and images of this unique classic car. Up for sale is a 1954 Buick two-door sedan, a true classic for enthusiasts and collectors. Priced at $3,500 or best offer, this vehicle is located in Greenville, South Carolina. While it doesn't currently run, it's a complete car with a 1954 Buick Special V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 0 and the title is open, dated 1967. The car does turn over by hand, making it a potential project car for restoration. With its vintage charm and status as a Buick from the 1950s, this is a great find for anyone looking to restore a classic piece of automotive history. Don't miss the chance to bring this car back to life. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Check out this classic 1952 Ford F5 dump truck, a true piece of automotive history that could be a fantastic project for any vintage car enthusiast. Priced at just $2,500 or best offer, it's located in Parkton, Maryland. This truck features a Y-block motor, the condition of which is currently unknown, but it was running when parked a few years ago. The odometer reads 0, and while it has a broken passenger door window, it appears to be in decent shape for its age. The truck comes with a good title, making it a great candidate for restoration or as a unique addition to a classic car collection. It certainly has its charm and potential, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and detailed photos of this classic Ford F5.